back again to do a fun little video. Today I'm really excited because I am going to be reviewing my fall FabFitFun box. It's really big. And I'm super excited because I've been getting them for about a year now. I was vegan when I first started to get them, but I feel like when you become vegan, it's like a journey of how vegan you are. In the beginning, I was plant-based and kind of doing a little here and there, and it started to grow more and more. And then after you get your diet kind of down, then you start looking at where you can put vegan in other places in your life. Now I'm to the point where I'm looking for all skincare, makeup that's vegan and cruelty free. I want to start switching over, you know, clothing where I can, purses, shoes, you know, and it's all a journey, and it's, you know, a path that I'm not going to throw out everything I have, because that's kind of goes against, you know, trying to do what we can to help our planet. So I want to use the things I have, but going forward when I buy new things, I want to try to find vegan options. The first 2 times I got FabFitFun, I did the seasonal option, and then finally after 2 times I signed up for the annual, and I paid for a year in advance, so that way I could pick all of my options. So in picking them all, I picked all options that were vegan. I looked up everything to make sure everything was vegan. So I feel pretty good about it. So let's get started. I'm excited. And ooh, I have passed this on to a friend who will love FabFitFun for $15 off. That's fun. Anybody want to be my friend and want $15 off? All right. Then, you know, you always get like these little like coupons. Like this one is for Bright Sellers, and then there's HelloFresh, and then there's Nourish, made by Nurture. So it has all these like coupon deals in here. Magazine that comes in here, and it's FabFitFun Feast on Fall Flavors. So when you open it up, it always has in here just like some information about notes from the, and then it tells you the different things that could be in your box. So anybody who doesn't know FabFitFun, seasonal box, you pay per box. So it's $49.99 per box. And with that, you'll get up to 8 products. You'll get to customize 4 of them. So when you do it and it's time, they have a certain window when you can customize. People who sign up for the annual plan get to do theirs sooner than the people who have the seasonal. But you go in there and they have 4 items that you can customize. You can pick which 4 you want, and then the rest they surprise you with. Yeah, and then you can cancel it at any time. If you sign up for the annual, it's $45 per box. So if you prepay, you save $20. And then you get to customize your entire box. So I customized and picked out all 8 items I wanted. And you get early access to customize, and then you can add things in because they have lots of other products, so you can add things in. Or sometimes when you're going through it, because you have like option 1 and it gives you like maybe 4 or 10 different products that you can pick from. But sometimes there's 2 you want, so you can pick one that comes with the box and then one that you get for a cheaper price than normal. So it might be like $10 or $15 versus whatever it normally is. You get earlier shipping than everybody else as well. So I'm on the annual plan now. So when you go through, it just has information about the different things in your box. And it has recipes in here and just lots of fun little. So I will put down below in the comments everything that I got. I'll put the link to FabFitFun, and then I'll put everything that I got, put it on the screen here of how much everything was worth. And then I got it for just the $50. So let's go with the very first thing. Okay, so the first thing I got was this Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream, 10-in-1 Complete Corrective Leave-In. So here's this, and it says multi-benefit treatment for complete is moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, hair protection, and light hold. So directions: apply to clean towel dried hair and style as desired. So let's put a little bit here. kind of perfumey smelling. Like it's really perfumey smelling. I have to be honest, I don't know if I want to put it in my hair. It smells really perfumey, but we'll put it on some of my ends. So let's see what's next. Oh, I'm excited for this. It may not seem like a lot, but to me it was. This is an eyelash curler, and I don't like my eyelash curler. I've had it forever and it was cheap. I don't know if I got it from Amazon or the Dollar Tree, and I kind of wanted a new one. And I saw this one in the box. It's like a rose gold. It's really pretty, and I don't know. I'm not going to use it now because I have mascara in my eyes. But yeah, I'm excited for a new eyelash curler. Next is the Coach. And I knew I had to get this for my child when I saw it. It'll probably be like a Christmas present. Is that bad of me? I don't think so. But a necklace and earring set. They're going to be getting their ears pierced for their birthday. So I thought either for their, well, probably Christmas. So that way they can wear it when their ears are healed. But I thought they would like that. I'm not a big jewelry person, so I didn't want it for myself. I don't wear earrings. I haven't forever. And necklaces give me a neck ache and a headache. Weird, right? But it happens. All right, so I'm excited for that. We'll save that as a present. All right, next is Eco-Friendly Comb Set by Zoe Ayla. Zoe Ayla. I don't even remember picking this out. A wet comb. They're actually super nice. They're like super nice. We'll comb out my hair. Comb it out. Comb it out. So that's nice. I can use that on my children. It's M.A.D skincare. Maximum active. I can't read because my glasses are on top of my head, but here. So it's a face cleanser. I'm always down for trying a new face cleanser. Ooh. It's a huge container of it too. I love that. Let's see. Let's try a little. It runs out. It runs out. So you gotta be careful. It doesn't smell like anything. It's kind of thick, like a gel, but a runny gel, and it's all over my hands. So I'm gonna go wash my hands off. Hands washed. Okay, hands washed. Next up, True Moringa, Shea and Moringa Balm. Moisturizing balm for hands and body. I just washed my hands, so I need something on my hands. I was actually just thinking I needed a new lotion for my purse for my hands. Oh my gosh. It's like kind of grainy. It wasn't what I expected at all. It's like an oil. It smells, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like nutty, and my hands are really oily. This is not for my purse. This is for before bed because it's super oily, and I bet it's super moisturizing. Like any dry areas, that will be lovely. Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm. I need a new lip balm. It's hard to open because I had that hand stuff on. Okay. It has like no smell, I don't think. Feels waxy. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I'm glad I did the unboxing because I want to start getting fit and in shape. And so I ordered my last FabFitFun box, like exercise stuff. So I got some more exercise stuff, and I got, here it is, a cute little jump rope. I don't know if I can jump rope still in my life, but I am sure gonna try. And I thought, well, why not just get a jump rope in my box? And then I think on top of it too, I get is 3 months of free unlimited and live workouts wherever you live, valued at $177. Access to 2,500 plus weekly classes held Monday through Saturday, starting every 15 minutes. Let's get started. Your 3-month exclusive offer enrollment period expires March 31st. So it just tells me like how I need to go on and claim my classes. 3 free months, unlimited 60-minute classes, plus a jump rope. So I'm really excited for this. I was actually just thinking about this today. I was like, oh, I want my jump rope. My last box, and I'm really excited for this one. It is a Dutch oven. As we're going into the holiday season and Thanksgiving coming and everything, I was thinking when I was looking at the last option, I was like, should I get a Dutch oven? I don't know. No, I shouldn't. No, I'm going to. So I did it. So let's see what it looks like, if it's the size I anticipated, because I didn't think it was going to be overly big, but I thought it was just going to be like the right size. It's Golden Rabbit. So this is the lid. Isn't that pretty? I thought it was super pretty. It has like texture to it. What I like is it's not like breakable or anything. Oh, it's super cute, isn't it? Like, look at that. Oh, I think that's gonna be so perfect. Totally excited for this. Ah. Okay, durable, lightweight, carbon steel interior, non-stick fused porcelain finish. Cook, broiler, bake, grill, cut. So each piece is made to withstand extreme temperatures. So I can put it, I can use it on the stovetop, I can bake it, I can grill with it, I can cut inside of it. Like, I can do everything with it. It says it's dishwasher safe, do not microwave, which makes sense. Do not soak steel rim. Use non-abrasive cleansers for stubborn stains. Wash thoroughly before use. I am so excited for this. Like, look how pretty it is. I don't have anything like this. It looks so pretty. It is everything I wanted. I don't know why. I just saw myself making something yummy, some sort of yummy vegan dish in this. Isn't it cute? I love it. Anyways, that's my FabFitFun box. I will put a link to FabFitFun in the description. I'll also put information about all of the products. Then I will put up top here, like I said, the total that my box was valued at, and then I paid the $49.99. I think it's a good deal. I don't know if I'm going to continue FabFitFun because I also have a huge thing of products that I've never used from any of my boxes. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it going just because there's so many other subscription boxes and there's lots of vegan and cruelty-free boxes that I'd like to try. So I don't know. We'll see. I think I don't know how many more. I think I might have one more box, 1 or 2 more boxes. I don't remember that I already paid for it, but I'm thinking once I'm done with my payment, I'm probably going to stop and try some other subscription box. I want to share the love, you know? Please give this a like. It really helps me, especially since I'm new. I appreciate all the love I can get. Subscribe, share this, just share the love. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.